Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to find out which visa application centers for Canada are currently open, and this is the best way to track it because in today's world there are a lot of rumors and a lot of misinformation everywhere. So it's always advisable to get it from the official government of Canada site. So I'm going to show you how to do this check yourself, and I'm also going to include the link in the description. So if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so in front of you I have opened this official Canada government IRCC page. They have written that some visa application centers are open, and if you scroll down you'll see the table where they have written along with the note. So let's say somebody is applying from India I searched. So all visa application centers over there, all are coming. It's closed. So it's not open, and you have link also to go to their page. Now if I go, let's say somebody is applying from London. Let me see. London, United Kingdom, open with limited services. So you have the link of the website. So here you can go and find out what is available and what is not, and from there you can plan. Like if you have biometric request or passport submission, you can go there and you can find that out. And that's how simple it is guys, and this is gonna save you from lot of online frauds. Because right now I got the information that somebody posed even as a VFS agent to one of the persons in India, where a fake job racket was offering a job and asked to send his passport to him directly so that he can get it stamped from the back door. These are the scams currently going on. A lot of people have been trapped. So make sure you do not get trapped in these scams, because these scammers, they don't have any fixed modus of operation. They can change their operation methods anytime in order to deceive you, because ultimately their goal is to deceive you. So it is up to you to protect yourself, and in order to protect yourself, correct pieces of information are very important, and it's always advisable to get your information from the official site, so that you will give very hard time to the scammers, those who try to scam you. And also you have proper information, because it's not just about stopping the relevant scams, but also to have the proper information, because you have applications waiting for biometric or passport stamping. So in all these cases you should have this option available, so that you can go and get the things done for yourself at your convenience and other points. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask guys. This is your own channel, and please subscribe and share to support. Thank you.